Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an account from your Messenger app. This is super easy, and it works perfectly on the latest version of Messenger for mobile. So first, open your Messenger app. Now look down at the bottom right corner and tap on the hamburger menu, that's the three-line icon. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now under the Account section, tap on Switch Account. This will show you a list of all the accounts currently logged into your Messenger app. Find the account you want to remove and tap the three dots next to it. After that, tap on Remove Account from this device. It'll ask you to confirm, just hit Remove, and that account will be logged out and deleted from your Messenger. This is really helpful if you share your phone with someone else or just want to clean up multiple accounts you're not using anymore. Don't worry, removing an account from Messenger doesn't delete the account itself. You can always add it back later by tapping Add Account and signing in again. Also, this trick can help improve your phone's performance and keep your Messenger notifications organized. Having fewer accounts logged in means fewer background syncs and less clutter in your messages, which makes the app run smoother overall. And that's it! You've just learned how to remove an account from the Messenger app in a few quick steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.